final series conclusion. So nabasa ko na tong But the earth became without form and void. So according to apologetics, ito Wikipedia, no? Apologetics is from the Greek apologia. Speaking in defense is the religious discipline of defending religious doctrines through systematic argumentation and discourse. May mga references, 1, 2, 3. Early Christian writers, circa 120 to 220, who defended their beliefs against critics and recommended their faith to outsiders, in my case, overflow, were called Christian apologists. Number 4. Okay. In 21st century neon usage, apologetics is often identified with debates over religion and theology. Anyway, I did my part na dito sa early turn of the century, Y2K. So, to move into a detailed scriptural apologetics. So, concerned with scriptural lang. So, ginawa ko tong post ko, ginaya ko lang si Wells na in structural form, no? Ito. May tapat-tapat. Need not many man-made words. Katapat nun, ginagawa ko, just lay down what is written. Mga chapter and verse lang. Ito sa taas, man-made words to expound a doctrine or proof text. Sa akin naman, lay down what is written, then by comparing scriptures with scriptures. So, may mga highlight ako dito. Sana na appreciate mo. So, scriptural, katulad ng ginawa ko rito, ito, 6 days, hinanap ko kung meron bang 6 days sa taasang account ng Genesis. Meron naman. 7 day, meron din. So, I come to the conviction na ito yun. Itong mundo na to, hindi yun 1-1. Although 1-1 may heaven and earth, dito naman may heaven and earth din. Kaso hanapin mo lang. No? Kailangan dito 1:8 saka 1:10. No? Anyway, so itong scriptural apologetics, madali. So, alam ko kagad kung mga lumalayo wala sa nakasulat, katulad ng dito sa 1:2, ang dali lang eh. I-confine lang natin dito, hanapin lang natin mga wording na ito. Hindi makita sa English, hanapin natin sa root word, original Hebrew o Greek. So dito, tama nga, may minsan, kaya nga yung mga nagka-advocate ng 2 Peter 3:6 na ito daw yung 1:2, no? Proof text. Meron naman nakalagay rito, deep, meron waters. Pero hindi naman nakalagay flood. Well, meron nga overflow with water, tama, may water. Pero overflow, hindi naman overthrow. No? Yun lang. Katabole, ang overflow is flood. Cataclysmos. So, hanapin mo lang. So, that particular context of 2 Peter is tungkol sa flood. Meron nga reference nga sa Peter, chapter 2:5 yata. Check nyo lang. May daming mong post dito. So, anyway, so itong style of study, scriptural apologetics, need not man-made words. Hindi kailangan, hindi pagalingan ng English. No? Hindi pagalingan. Nilalatag mo lang kung anong nakasulat. Chapter and verse, tapos compare lang. Compare scripture and scripture. Hindi ka magbi-build up ng doctrine, proof text, whatever. Ang dami mo sinasabi, pero lahat naman sa akin is basura eh. Ako nilatag ko, tapos take it or leave it. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Okay. Conclusion. So, anyway, syempre, bowing of the knees, thankfulness na itong mga alam binigay sa akin. Opening of understanding. Take care tayo. 5 minutes.